I'm going to talk to you a little bit about bed maintenance. I always have a mattress protector on the bed, and I would wash that probably every 2 to 3 months. Then we must mention about the care of the actual mattress, because no matter how clean you are, mattresses can get bed bugs in them. So every 3 months, I would say, when you're going to wash your mattress protector, take it off and give the mattress itself a good vacuum. I have this little one, but a bigger vacuum cleaner, whatever makes it quick and easy for you. So I think probably every 6 months, turn your mattress over, vacuum it again, give it a little deodorize, and then the next 6 months flick it again. Some mattresses like this one is a one-way, so it doesn't actually turn over. But what we do with this bed is turn it right around, so you're getting the weight of people on both sides of the bed. So probably I would do that every 6 months. Now with deodorizing, once you've vacuumed, a little spray. This is a nice one. It's an organic deodorizer. Makes the mattress smell nice, the linen's nice, and so I even every week when I'm changing the sheets, before I put the sheets on, I'll give the mattress protector just a little spray. Make sure it's dry before you start making the bed.